Welcome to Phone Transformer, where I will show you exactly how to know version of Android on your smartphone in just a few simple taps. Knowing your specific software version is important for app compatibility and security. So now, let's get started. Step 1, go to Settings by tapping the gear icon on your home screen or by pulling down the notification shade. This menu is the main hub for all your device configurations and is where you can access deep system information. Step 2, tap on About Phone or My Phone, which is typically located at the very top or the very bottom of the settings list. This section provides a complete overview of your device's hardware identity and the current state of your operating system. Step 3, then go to Software Information to see the specific details regarding the build and technical layers of your phone's software. This is a vital step because it separates your hardware details from the actual programs and updates running on the device. Then you can see Android version listed clearly on the screen, showing you exactly which generation of the operating system you are using. This number is what you need to check whenever you want to see if your phone supports the latest apps or features. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials.